Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.10, Problem 10. This is Section 4.10, Problem 10. It says there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Part A asks how many miles are in 600 feet, and Part B asks how many feet are in 600 miles. So, for A, start with the given quantity, 600 feet. And I want to multiply that by an unusual number 1. I want to arrange it so the feet, the unit I want to cancel, is in the denominator. So I have 5,280 feet in the denominator, and that's equivalent to 1 mile, which goes in the numerator. So now as I do that multiplication, 600 feet times 1 mile over 5,280 feet, the feet cancel. I have feet in the numerator, feet in the denominator. And I have 600 over 5,280, and my units of measure will be miles. Now, that's not a fraction that reduces easily. You could actually leave it like that. That is an answer, but it's not one that makes a lot of sense to people. I would just do it on the calculator. Enter the numerator of 600, get that on the screen first, press your division button, then enter the denominator 5,280, and the calculator will tell you 0.1136363636. The 3 sixes go forever. So how many do you write? Well, what you can do is the part that repeats, the notation is just put a line over it. You can round it off if you like to however many digits you feel you want that much accuracy for. Or if you put the bar over it, that means the 3 sixes go forever and never stop. Include your units of measure, that's important. So it's 0.1136 miles. The 3 sixes repeat. So that's part A. Now B has you go from 600 miles to feet. So again, for B, start with the given amount, and the given amount is 600 miles. Multiply that by essentially a number 1. So what I want to do is put the units that I want to cancel in the bottom. So in the denominator, I should have miles. So 1 mile is the same as 5,280 feet. So now as I multiply, the miles will cancel. I have miles in the numerator, miles in the denominator, and I wind up with 600 times 5,280, and my units of measure will be feet because the miles just all canceled off. Now that's something you probably want to do on a calculator. But as you do that multiplication, either by hand or with a calculator, it'll come out to 3,168,000. And again, my units of measure are feet. You have to put the units of measure. So the answer for B is 600 miles is equivalent to 3,168,000 feet.